Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the coil packs on this 2007 Chrysler Town Country. If this video is helpful, can you just smash that thumbs up button? Helps me out a lot. Okay, the first thing we're going to do here is remove the power steering reservoir. So we're going to take out these two bolts right here. Okay, this next bolt is pretty tough to get. So it just has to be done by feel. But you can see right here I've got my extensions in here. You can see the socket right there. The bolt that we're trying to get unattached is on the other side of this bolt right here, or this stud. So what I did is I took a deep socket, oh, there's a better look, and then put a couple extensions on there to get it out to here, and then put my ratchet on it and broke it free, and now I'm just twisting it out by hand. But this bolt is the toughest one to get out. It just has to be done by feel. Alright, so I just want to show you how this works. I've lifted this up here. You can see it's just on a slot, so you don't have to get that nut completely off. Just break it loose and then you can lift this up. The next thing that we're going to do here is we need to get this nut off and this nut off. Alright, now our coil pack is loose. What we need to do is unplug the wires, and then we're also going to unplug this wiring harness here. See if we can focus. There you can see. So what I'm going to do is mark these wires 1 dot, 2 dots, 3 dots, 1 dot, 2 dots, 3 dots, in order. That way I know where these plug back in at. Alright, so there everything's unplugged. You can lift this up, take your coil pack out, and put your new one in. I'm going to have a link in the description below where you can get a new coil pack, maybe wires, spark plugs, stuff like that, on Amazon. Those will be in the description below. Feel free to use them if you want to. If not, no big deal. So at this point, you're just putting things back together the way you took it apart. I hope this video is helpful to you. If it was, smash that thumbs up button. Really helps me out a lot. And have a good one.